Hello, I'm an independent blogger. Welcome to my channel. Normally, my channel is dedicated to things like gardening and travel. But as we're in the current climate of the coronavirus, we're generally all stuck at home and can't do much travel. So I thought I'd do a bit of a change and add some videos on here that might help people who want to learn some techniques while they're at home and make some good use of storing food and making it last a little bit longer. As you can see, we've been out and bought a bulk supply of peppers. What I want to show you is different ways of cutting these, and what we'll do with them is freeze them in boxes, and then we can just take them out as and when we need them and put them into whatever we're going to be cooking. Before we start, we need a few things. We obviously need our peppers, which we got from the shop earlier. Some plastic containers to put them in. These are from the Chinese takeaway, and we found them really useful because you can freeze things in them, dishwash them, and use them again and again. And a decent sharp knife. So what I want to show you is a couple of ways, and really to get the best out of the vegetables, get the best and the most out of the vegetables. So what I would do is cut as close as you can to the top of the pepper and remove the stalk. Now I would like to say at this point that I'm not a chef, but I do like cooking and I do like my food, and I like to make the most of my food. So what I'm going to do now is just cut the top of my pepper into bite-sized chunks. Put that to one side, and again, take off the base. Cut the base into bite-sized chunks. Then you're left with your seeds inside. They can be removed and thrown to one side. Now you've hardly wasted anything of your pepper there, but there's several ways you can do with it. This one we're going to cut into, again, like kind of square pieces. There's probably a technical name for this, but hey, we won't worry about that. And then I just cut it. This way is good for stir fries, curries, nice and chunky. What I possibly will do is mix the pepper there with an onion, half and half in the box, squeeze that up, freeze them together, and then they're there ready to take out as and when you want them. Second one, again, cut off the top, do this one in strips. Now with my technique, the trouble is, it's difficult to get strips from something like that, but do you know what, I'm not that fussed. The thing I'm concerned about is not wasting a lot of my vegetable. From the base, same again, and then take out the waste. Now if you want this one to go into a salad or a stir fry maybe, it's quite handy if you can cut them in strips. Some people will take away all the white skin on the inside there. Yeah, you can do if you're really fussed. I'm not that fussed really. I'd rather not waste the vegetable. Doesn't do you any harm. Okay, so that's our second one. Our third one. I suppose we could do this one. This one's quite good if you want to stuff the pepper. So you can cut it down the centre. And once you've got it cut, just slowly ease your seeds out. As I say, I'm no chef. I'm sure there are people out there who have different ways of doing it. I find this way works. I like doing this way. So what you could do at that point, pull out the white inside. And again, you could stuff that, roast it in the oven. Don't usually do that very often, so what I would rather do is, again, just slice. This way is quite good for salads. We use peppers more for things like curries and stir fries and things like that, curries Chinese. What I will do from there is then just slice them into bite-sized chunks. They're not perfect. Do you know what? I'm not really fussed. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can do them as big, the better, sharper your knife is, the more you can do in one go. So what I'm hoping to do is a few more videos like this, just with a few kitchen techniques, maybe show you some food cooking recipes, what you can do during the next few weeks and beyond. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and there'll be more. You'll see when more videos are released. If you also want to have a look at the gardening videos and the travel videos, take a look in there and give me some feedback on those too. Hope you like the video and see you soon.